am going to land the F-35 Lightning II. I'm going to do it twice in 2 different ways you can land it. So you have to use the air brake because you can only put the stuff down at a certain time. Land it, or put the landing gear down and do the other cool thing at a certain speed. So I have to do that. But once I hit it, the back lowers down and a fan in the middle opens up. And as you can see, there's the view. And as I lower the throttle, we will start to go down. It will start to go down very slowly though. And as you can see, I'm not necessarily over the runway, so I had to move over a little bit, and there we go. Okay. I should be going down about now. 5, 4, 1. Okay. Get that throttle up a little bit so I don't crash into the ground hard. I'm not the best at this, and as you saw, I almost forgot to put down the landing gear. I just noticed that before I hit the ground, so I could have blew up the jet, but I didn't. So yeah, I just gotta get down out of it. Okay, so before you hit the ground, just before, you gotta shoot the throttle almost all the way up, or maybe halfway, and then you gotta drop it down again. And as you saw there, I landed it. I'm pulling it up again. I don't know why, but I want to. And I just kind of leaned everything forward. And if you lean forward and stop the thing, it'll actually work. And I'm going to go back around, and I'm going to land the normal way. A little bit of fun there. Yeah. Now, as you know, if you've seen anyone play this game before, if you run into anything that isn't a runway, you will blow up. If you have your landing gear down and you run into something or try to land on something or anything that's other than a runway, you will blow up. I just restarted there to make everything go faster. And now I gotta lower the landing gear. I lowered my flaps already, and I put throttle at half. Now, that air brake is right below the red switch. That thing slows me down. I'm going to be using that a little bit here. And I just slowly kind of go down. I'm not the best at landing, but yeah. There we go, and we have touchdown. And then when you touch down, you lower the throttle all the way, and then you pull the air brake as far back as you can go. And yeah. Oh, whoops. Oh. And that's how you do it. Hope you, ladies and gentlemen, enjoyed the video. Goodbye.